Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing how we can execute the selected report, right? Our selection is module wise. We change module, then we select when- once we have chosen module, then we have a list of all the reports related to that module. Okay, and we have shown you previously this customer balance in local currency report, right? That was successful, and this is actually uh, the new report, a list of vendor line items. This is a new report, and we entered it into our index, and it is now available for us. And we made a copy of previous reports so that most of the things which we did, like downloading, connecting to the SAP, entering the selection criteria, and then executing and downloading the stuff into the Excel and carry on until your final financial year, right? So 3 years are uh, uh, entered here, that from 2019 to 2021, we want these to be downloaded, and then a comparative analysis is made for us automatically. Okay, so we make sure that we are logged on to SAP, and we are logged on. As you can see that it is running, right? Okay, as it is ready to take our T code. This T code will be entered by this program into that. Okay, so you can see I click in here, execute. Now it is taking this T code and entering it and taking all these criteria as well. And starting from 2019, then downloading it, putting it in the compute sheet, and then taking the next year, 2020, and later uh, downloading it and doing the same thing, means the same sequence of the steps. And in the end, you will have 3 years listed. Okay, so we showed you the algorithm which we wrote in our previous video. So we do a bit of more enhancement in it, fine tuning sort of things, right? So we will learn a lot of things in it. That how do we do the fine tuning, right? So so uh, as soon as it finishes, then we we choose certain things, we aim on certain things that we want to do this, and we will show you how to be this to be done, like a auto fit of the run, because you see there are certain columns, these need auto fit, right? So how to do the auto fitting of all these columns here, N and O, and A to say A to G. Hmm? Yeah. So how A to G, and all we can say A to O. Okay, A to O, right? We want all these columns to be auto-fitted, right? Okay. So the for the moment, uh, we see that where is this code where we can do this. Okay, as you can see that process complete achieve was uh, written, and just before the process complete, we would like to do this. Okay, so we go to the assign macro here, and we go to the edit, and here in the end, when it shows you the process complete, we do the this is a these are both the T code, the report T codes, and this was the T code which uh, which was preparing the list of vendor line items, right? Okay. So auto format is the last stage, okay, and after this, it has certain more things. Yeah, this is a common procedure. Yes, if this, then procedure common pro 3. Yeah. So here we put a break, we have put a stop in here. Hmm, okay. Or and put a stop in here as well. Okay. So why we are doing it? Because this is the last procedure, and then it starts to do the final formatting of the report. So at this stage, we will choose an appropriate position where we are going to do that formatting issue settled, right? Okay, so let's start. Let's start it, and we click execute. So this time only 2021 will be there. Okay, that's right. So it is taking you to the report. The report is being executed, downloaded, and brought into the Excel. That's right. Okay, now this is the position where it is doing it, and it is also deleting certain uh, certain rows as well. Okay, okay. So let's see in what it does for uh, common procedure 3. Okay, so we press F8 here. Okay, so this is a procedure which is it is doing. Okay, it is now deleting all the report, all the extra rows, and making a new column for vendor. That's right, and it is returning, right? So before returning, we would like to uh, we would like this program to be stopped and give us the chance to do certain amendment, right? So this is the point when we can say that the columns be auto-fitted. Okay, so what we do here, we say, we write range. You start from column D. And we leave the column C and all these things to be small size. Only auto-fitting will be from column D to O. That's right, okay? So let's try it again. Okay, so first of all, we have to stop this macro and we run it again. Okay, so now it is, this time it has resolved the issue of uh, width. Now it has appropriate widths until the column field. Okay, the rest were already okay, so we don't disturb it. So this is right. Okay, and also one thing we can say that this is the vendor detail column, and we remove this Palo Alto. Okay, we don't need this one. We can remove the entire row A to be, yeah, also F11, but this we will do not here. We will do in the end, right? So this is how we do the fine tuning of our report, and we can make it a full-fledged, professionally formatted report, and gradually, one bit by bit, we do it. And once it is settled, now with the click of button, you will get a very beautiful report. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.